Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that could literally change your financial future. Investing for beginners. I'm going to share the things I wish I knew when I first started investing, mistakes to avoid, tips that actually matter, and how to make your money work for you. Even if you've never bought a stock or opened an investment account, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Section 1. Start early, even with little. The first thing I wish I'd known, start early, even if it's just $50 a month. When I started investing, I thought I needed thousands of dollars to make a difference. The truth? Time is your best friend in investing. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over time. Let me give you a quick example. Investing $100 a month at 7% annual return for 30 years equals over $100,000. Waiting 10 years to start is almost half as much. Starting small is better than waiting for the perfect time.
Section 2. Understand risk and diversify. The second thing I wish I knew, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing always comes with risk, but there are ways to manage it. Diversify across different stocks, sectors, or even asset classes like bonds or ETFs. Avoid the temptation to chase hot stocks or trending crypto. Understand your risk tolerance. Some people can sleep through market drops, some can't. Diversification is like insurance for your portfolio. It helps protect you when the market gets shaky. Section 3. Keep emotions out of it. Here's a big one. Your emotions are your enemy. When the market dips, it's easy to panic and sell everything. When it spikes, it's tempting to buy aggressively. Both of these decisions can hurt your long-term returns. I wish I knew that staying calm and sticking to a plan is far more powerful than trying to time the market. Pro tip: automate your investments. Set up monthly contributions to avoid emotional decisions.
Section 4. Fees matter more than you think. Another mistake I made early: ignoring fees. Even small fees can eat away at your returns over time. Look out for high expense ratios on mutual funds, hidden broker fees, frequent trading that triggers commissions or taxes. A low-cost ETF or index fund is a beginner-friendly way to maximize returns while minimizing fees. Section 5. Education is power. I also wish I knew that investing isn't just about money, it's about learning. Spend time understanding how stocks, bonds, and ETFs work, the basics of market cycles, tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. Knowledge builds confidence and reduces mistakes. The more you learn, the less intimidating investing becomes. Section 6. Long-term mindset wins. Finally, the most important thing I wish I knew: investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Stay consistent, even when returns seem small. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term wins. Patience is the secret weapon of successful investors. Summary and takeaways. Let's quickly recap the 5 things I wish I knew when I started investing. Start early, even with small amounts. Time compounds your gains. Diversify your portfolio. Manage risk and avoid putting all eggs in one basket. Keep emotions out. Stick to your plan and automate contributions. Watch fees. High costs can eat your returns. Invest in your knowledge. Education is your secret weapon. If you keep these in mind, your first steps into investing will be much smoother, and your future self will thank you. If this video helped you feel more confident about investing, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly finance tips. And I want to hear from you. What's the one investing tip you wish you knew earlier? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.